As a 20 group member, you know that when you're with NADA, you're learning from legends.
So why did you get back to this at?
Every year, there's one event where auto and truck dealers come together to network, share, and explore all the new data and tools in our industry. It's at the NADA Show 2019 in San Francisco. This is where you'll learn what's going on with the OEMs and in Washington, including the critical tax issues that affect our business. It's where you'll find workshops and events that will help your store become more profitable and adapt to a changing business landscape. And this year, for the first time, NADA Show 2019 will feature 5 special topic 20 group education sessions that are vital for anyone in our business. And don't miss out on our other NADA workshops, including 4 from the new NADA Professional Series. Come to NADA Show 2019 to learn best practices from top performers, share information with peers at exchange sessions, see the latest products and services from more than 500 top companies at the Expo, and get up close and personal with industry leaders at franchise meetings. Find out more at nadashow.org.